Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting, that prove that 2 is equal to 3. You are thinking that whether it is possible or not. Yes, it is never possible that is 2 equal to 3. But logically I am going to prove that 2 equal to 3. Though it is not possible, but still I am going to prove it. But while prove it, I will do some mistake. So in this video, you have to rectify the mistake where I am going to do it. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So I am going to prove 2 equal to 3. Again, I am repeating, though it is not possible, but still I can prove it. Let's see. So while prove it, I can take 0 equal to 0. No problems, 0 equal to 0. The statement is correct. Now, instead of 0, we can write 2 minus 2, it's give you 0. Here I'll write 3 minus 3. That also will give 0. Instead of 0, I have written 2 minus 2. Instead of 0 here, I have written 3 minus 3. So far, no problems. Now, what we need to do, where we just multiply by 1. So all the terms I am multiplying by 1. Same thing I am doing in both the side, right? All the terms I have multiplied by 1. Now from here I'll take common 2. 2 is there, 2 is there. So I can take 2 is common. What is left? 1 minus 1. Here I am going to take 3 common. 3, that is 1 minus 1. Now if I divide 1 minus 1 here in the denominator, in this side also I will divide by 1 minus 1. Then these 1 minus 1 minus 1 cancel with each other. Here also same thing, 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 cancel each other. So what is left? 2 equal to 3. 2 equal to 3. Hence proved. I have proved it. But while doing that, I did a mistake. Now you have to rectify the mistake and you have to write in a comment box. Thank you for watching.